Good morning, students. Today we are again going to start with percent and percentage. Okay, in the previous session, we have seen and also solved the percentage question from exercise 8B, and now we are moving ahead on exercise 8C. In this, our first topic is percentage change. So percentage change is equals to decrease or increase in value upon the original value multiply by 100. The change percent is always calculated on the original value. Clear? Let's see question 1. A bicycle costs rupees 800. After 6 months, its value become rupees 650. By what percent has the price decreased? So here I have written original price. So here the original price is rupees 800 and the price that is reduced here is 650. So reduced price is 650. So what will be the decrease in price? Obviously the original price and the reduced price, we will subtract it and we will get the answer. So rupees 150 is the decrease in price. And what will be the percentage decrease? Okay, so decrease in price upon original price multiply by 100%. Clear? So 150, that was the decrease in price when we have calculated after subtracting the original price from the reduced price. Clear? So decrease in price was 150, original price was 800 and multiply by 100%. So that is 75 upon 4%, or we can also write it as 18.3 by 4%. I hope it is clear. Let's see the next question. So our next question is, the salary of a man is increased from 600 per month to rupees 850 per month. Express the increase in salary as percent. Okay, so in the solution we will write first the increased salary that is rupees 850 and original salary that is rupees 600. Clear? That is rupees 600. So how much is the increased salary? Means therefore increase in salary will be, original salary was 600 and increased salary is 850. So we will minus the original salary from the increased salary and we will get the answer that how much salary has been increased. See again clearly that if we have to calculate that how much salary has been increased, so we will see the increased salary and then minus the original salary, we will get that how much salary has been increased. So here it is 250. Now percentage change, the formula is decrease in salary, decrease in salary upon the original salary into 100%. Clear? So decrease in salary upon original salary into 100%. So actually initially he was getting rupees 600. Clear? Then after some time he has got rupees 850. So out of which we have calculated that his 250 salary was increased. But if we see the initial stage, when he was earning 600 rupees, so how much less salary he is getting? That is 250 less he is getting. Clear? So in this we will write the value 250. Means from the original state his salary which was less, that was rupees 250, and that we can say that it was a decrease in salary. Okay, don't get confused. Initially in the previous question we have taken that first stage, okay, where the price was rupees 800. See over here, see it clearly over here. See, in the first one there was the price of the bicycle that was 100. So we have seen from here. Clear? But in this the salary that has been increased is 850 from 600. So we will see that earlier he was earning 250 rupees less. So this has become decrease in salary, that is 250. Clear? Now the original salary he was getting is 600. Multiply by 100%. Okay, now solve it. This will be cut, then this will be cut. Clear? 250. So 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 1 will be left, 2 5s are 10. Now it has become 125 upon 3%, or you can write this as 41 2 by 3%. Clear? Multiply it, you will get the same result. Okay, let's see the next question. So your next question is saying that increase 1000 by 3.5%. So here write 1000 like this, then multiply, then 3.5 and 100% means upon 100. Then cut this 2 zeros. Clear? You will get answer from here 35. Clear? Now increase 1000, so this will be 1000 plus 35, that is 1035. Means if 1000 is increased by 3.5%, the answer is coming 1035. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, let's see question number 4. Okay, it is saying that decrease 300 it is saying that decrease 300 by 10%. Okay, so here you have to decrease. So we can write like this: 300 multiply 10 upon 100. Clear? Then cut this 2 zeros. You will get from here 30. So therefore decrease is equals to 300 minus 30. Okay, because here you have to decrease and here we were increasing 1000 by 35. Clear? So we will subtract for decreasing. So 300 minus 30, that will be 270. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, let's see the next question. Students, now see question number 5th. What number? Means you have to find the number when increase by 15% becomes to 30. Clear? So let's take solution. Let the unknown number be 100. Okay, and if it is increased by 15%, therefore the increased number will be 100 plus 15 is equals to 115. See, if 100 is increased by 15%, we can write it like this way also. So 15 is coming, it will be added over here and you will get 115. So if increased number is 115, then the original number was 100. But if the increased number is 230 and if the increased number is 230, then the original number will be 100 multiply by 230 upon 115. So from here you will get answer as 200. I hope you have understood. Okay, let's see the next one. So now the question number 6 is saying, if the price of an article is increased by 25%, then the increase is rupees 10. Okay, and you have to find the new price. Got it? Again, let's see. If an article is increased by 25%, suppose the article is having any cost and if it is increasing by 25%, so 25% means that there is an increase in rupees 10. So you have to find the new price. Clear? So see clearly over here. Let the price of an article is rupees 100. Okay, we are not taking X because we have to take out the value. Okay, so we have suppose it as a digit. So suppose the price of an article is rupees 100 and if it is increased by 25%, so increase in price, when you will calculate this, so how much price it is increasing, that is rupees 25. So you are getting 125. So here I have written the statement that if increased price is rupees 25, means from the original price, if the increased price is rupees 25, so we are getting 125, the new price. But if the increased price is rupees 10, okay, because we have to take out this one, so but the increased price is rupees 10, so the new price will be 125. Then means this and multiply by 10 and divided by 25, because this was the increase in price when we are solving this part. Clear? After solving this part, we are getting 25 as increase in price, and we have to take out that if we are increasing the price till rupees 10, so what will be the new price? So this is the new price of an article. I hope it is clear. If you are having any doubt in this question, ask me. Okay, thank you.